Morning, guys. It's going to bed. So today, tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday. Monday is not school. So spend the tomorrow continuously. For Saturday is already today, so it's past 3 months weekend. So let's just go. Get them into some work with me. No, for today, I might post a part 2 of this. I'm so tired right now. Okay, get the toothpaste. Don't make the noise, guys. Maybe I know you will make so I woke up this morning 4:22 and I went back to sleep. So I woke up now. I'm done. So yeah, let's just brush my teeth quickly. I don't feel like changing it. My toothpaste is finished. New toothpaste. Now I need to go look at another toothpaste. I have two bottles. Your toothpaste in this. Don't mind how the toothpaste looks, okay? I don't take it from this time. So I think there's a little pretty in this one. Basically, it's the only one I can find right now. So let's clean it up because look how it looks horrible. I'm gonna post a part 2. Big chunk. I got toothpaste on my phone. But oh my gosh, I just got more toothpaste on my phone. I'm gonna post a part 2. I'm still tired though. I'm just not in a happy mood. I wanna cash out.